I graduated university in 1998 with a degree in economics and a belief that if I was not working, I was wasting time. Because I believed that to be successful, one needed to be dedicating all one's time to work. And that's how I approached my 20s and ultimately my 30s. It wasn't until I turned 40 when I realized that I was completely wrong. Because over the course of the 2 decades prior, I had lost something that was tremendously valuable. I had lost a lot of my friends, and I had lost a lot of my relationships. And that was because I was just so focused on work. It got to the point, it got so bad where I would be in a social situation and I'd be worrying that I wasn't working. Fortunately, time and experience can bring a little bit of wisdom. And it finally dawned on me that when it's all said and done, the amount of work that one does doesn't truly matter. What truly matters is the bonds and the relationships that we develop during the time that we are here that truly matter. Therefore, this Thanksgiving, I challenge you to do this. When you're sitting around the dinner table with your friends and your family, put that phone away. Put the computer away. Don't think about work. And enjoy the time and the company and the camaraderie that they and you share together.